Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Terrain. In this session, we are going to look at Telangana State Board Public Examination Mathematics Paper 1 and Paper 2 syllabus bifurcation and blueprint and instructions as well. So let us have a look. So this is the syllabus bifurcation for Paper 1 and Paper 2. Total we have 14 chapters and 14 chapters are divided into two parts, 7 chapters each. For Paper 1, we have 7 chapters and namely real numbers, sets, polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables, quadratic equations, progressions and coordinate geometry. For Paper 2 syllabus, remaining 7 chapters, namely similar triangles, tangents and secants of a circle, mensuration, trigonometry, applications of trigonometry, probability and statistics. Here is the blueprint. So we have part A and part B. In part A we have 3 sections and part B we have only one section, that is MCQs. And part A, section 1, we have 7 questions of 1 mark each and 7 ones are 7 marks and question number 1 to 7. And section 2, we have 6 questions of 2 marks each and 6 twos are 12 marks and they are from question number 8 to 13. And in section 3, we have 4 questions of 4 mark each, 4 fours are 16 and they are from question number 14 to 17. So in part A, this total is 35 marks. And part B, we have MCQs of 10 questions of 0.5 marks each, that is total 5 marks and they are from question number 1 to 10. So 35 plus 5 total 40 marks paper and this is of 2 hours 30 minutes writing time. And here are the instructions, part A and part B. So total time is 2 hours 45 minutes actually, but in that first 15 minutes is reading time. So maximum marks are 40 and you have to answer all the questions under part A as well as in part B and write the answers to the questions under part B in the question paper itself and attach it to the answer book of part A. Clear? So here are the part A instructions. This is of 2 hours paper and maximum marks 35 and you have to answer all the questions of 3 sections, section 1, section 2 and section 3 as well. And in section 3 you have internal choice, but section 1 and section 2 you don't have any choice, but in section 3 you have internal choice for each question. And part B, it is of 30 minutes time and maximum marks 5 and you have to write capital letters A, B or C or T showing in the correct answer for the following questions in the brackets provided against them, which means here it is the question, here are the options A, B, C, D. So you should write the correct option in the bracket followed by the given question. You should not write the answer. Clear? For example, for this question, x square minus 4 is equals to 0 and x square plus px minus 4 is equals to 0, then p is equals to. Here x square minus 4 is equals to 0, then x square is equals to 4. If you substitute x square is 4 plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled, px is equals to 0, then p is equals to 0. The correct option is B, so you have to write B in the bracket. Clear? So similar way you have to follow for all the questions. Answer all the questions and each question carries half mark. Answers are to be written in the question paper only, means here only. You should not write in the answer booklet of part A. Marks will not be awarded in any case of overwriting or rewriting or erased answers. So answer should be very clear. You should not be overwritten or rewritten or erased one or something. Okay, only one answer. So please do careful while writing it. Clear? So these are the instructions and please read the question paper carefully within the given 15 minutes time first of all. Then you plan, you make a plan, then you have to answer properly. Clear? Followed by this video, you will have solutions for all questions of 2019 March public examination paper for part A and part B as well. So please do follow, as well as please do subscribe our channel for all updates. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best for your public examinations and rock it.